Hello Adam, hope you are well. I have set up your CX Notion template, so I am recording this video to show you what I have done. So I have set up this template according to this instruction, like this requirement. I have used this, and let's start. So first of all, CX Feature Hub. This is main dashboard, and here you can see a quick link like button, action, and so more. Here gallery view, here database, and here all pages like CX announcement, upcoming launches, internal link, and so more. First discuss this database, like this is important and main database CX tracker. So here you can see like feature name, status, roll up type, CX owner, project type, project owner, launch date, platform, and FAQs, external training notes, Slack thread, QS link, Facebook form, and so more. I have set up every. If you feel like some field is extra, you can delete it. This is like I have put simple entries for dummy entries, and then this is all feature. Then current roulette, like in board view, like here you can check planning in progress, live, and complete something. Then you can check out in the timeline section, like this is 25 date and so more. Then if you go here, then next is documentation link. All documentation link will be show here. Then post launch, like status etc show here. Then this is like database, and I have linked database here with the gallery view. The benefit of this is that, like when I have attached new atom with a new atom link, that link button, even when you click here or click here new atom, when you click here new atom section, and you will put a new entry like any something, new atom like Adam, and put all platform according to your need, like custom field and so more. Then automatically here will be show like feature atom. You will put here all the feature atom and so more. All feature you can check out by status board, timeline, and highly purity feature and so more. All feature. Then second is CX checklist. So here you can checklist and something according to your need. Then even you can, I have added link purity and so more. You can check out by their by owner, timeline, and then purity view and so more. I have add extra for easy to use. Then is quick links. Here you can put all quick links, and you can check out by category, and by important resources, and by team feature. So this is all link here. Then feedback loop. Here you can put resources and so on everything. Then you can check out by status, by priority items, by follow-up calendar, and by category and so more. Here like you can see. And so this is feedback loop. Then post launch monitoring. This is database. You can check out this all, and you can check out best board status, timeline, and team view and so more. And then last is note resources. So this is automated tool, like when you new entry put here, so this database will be shown, and you will add according to your client requirement, like duplication. Like this is Adam show here, and it will be show here, because both database are linked to each other. So when you enter a new atom, like here quick links, a new atom, click here. So choose something here, and you choose here according to your need. So this is I have set up according to this, like a feature name, checklist, and so more. And then next step is pages, CX pages. Like here I have added some entries, like this data type, message, and so more, by calendar view, by type, by upcoming events, and so more. Then next, upcoming launches page, and here you can see the status, linked, and so more, launched calendar, launches board, and by lead you can check out. Then next page is internal training resources. So you can put here according to your need in this database, by type, by resources, and so more. And then fourth and last pages is select channel link. So here in this channel link here, like you can put here all category according to your need. And even I have add these all pages in quick action, like announcement, upcoming launches, internal select, and so more. I hope you feel better this dashboard. So after review this dashboard and let me know if you need any changes and so more. Thank you, and I'm waiting your feedback. Shukriya.